We're out here at Cowell Redwoods State Park, and it's just a beautiful morning. The mist is rising and we're on this park project. This park project involves fixing a fence. So we are setting new posts, fixing all the ties, making sure it doesn't all rot away. You can actually save this redwood to last for another bunch of years. You don't need new materials to build new fences. You can just use the old stuff and make it new. The fence falls and then visitors are going to come trample all this pristine land here. Going post by post to just try to leave it a little bit better. That's what we do.